Almost 2/3 of Leaving Cert students are going on to college after second level, but there is a clear class divide that is getting wider, the annual Irish Independent Feeder School Survey reveals. Approximately 73% going to third level this year compares to a 2024 figure of 76% of students who made the journey to college. Overall, there were more Leaving Cert students in 2025 compared to the previous year at 58,000 versus 54,000, implying more competition for places at third level. There was also a decline in the number of second level students from socio-economically challenged backgrounds going to college. Around 59% of deaf school students went to third level in 2025. This was compared to 64% in 2024. However, second level students continue to choose other routes to their future careers, such as apprenticeships and PLCs. This year's data was somewhat skewed due to around 10,000 students with inflated grades deferring from the 2024 Leaving Cert. Overall, there was a proportional rise in students going to third level from fee-paying schools this year. Around 91% went to third level, this compared to 90% in 2024. The percentage of second level students from same-sex secondary schools going to third level fell in 2025. Some 77% of pupils from all boys' schools went to college, compared to 80% in 2024. About 87% from girls-only secondary schools went to third level, compared to 90% the year prior. The number of children from Gael Coláiste also fell slightly. In 2025, approximately 84% of these students went to college, compared to 85% in 2024. Some families are now relying on charity to get their children to college and to keep them there. St Vincent de Paul said it helped with €2.3 million in charity assistance for educational costs in the 2024-2025 academic year. St Vincent de Paul stepped in to help 700 families. Research and Policy Officer with St Vincent de Paul, Niamh Danziel, said there's been a shift in the needs of those seeking support. Trends are emerging where students need support with transport and to buy necessities, including laptops. We're seeing that become more normal. That's the frightening part about it, Ms Danziel said. Grant data also underscores an increased reliance on financial support for third level education. The SUSI grant applications increased by almost 24,000 since the 2022-2023 academic year.